Hey, what's up, guys? This is Phil. Doing some bass fishing in Colorado. It's very, very cold, very snowy, and let's see what we can do today, guys. Oh man, it's so cold out here. Oh, got him. Oh, I freaking missed him. Oh. Oh, what the I'm gonna change my bait, guys. I was missing a lot, as you can see, which that's kind of weird. That's not right, but just doing on the Senko. Maybe I'll get a better hook set. I mean, because I was using a finished jig, and they love the crawdads. I think, you know, it's time for them to eat crawdads right now. Their lips are red. But yeah, I'm just using a Senko to see if I can get a better hook set. Back to this baby. Oh, here he is. Got him. That's what I'm talking about, man. Take it out. Oops. Catch and release. Good stuff, man. Come on. What the hell? Hold on. Little tiny guy, man. Looks like he has a hook on him. Let's see. Oh, there it off. Catch and release. Oh my god. Oh. What? No. Ah. Why don't I just cast it in? Here he is. Got him! Where's all the big boys at? Yeah. Decent size. Barely got him too. Wow. Catch and release. It's kind of weird how these backs are actually really active. I mean, I'm probably assuming that it's been like a while that they ate. It's been really icy. This whole thing was full of ice. Oh. Got another one. Wow, really small. I wish I could go on the other side, but it's the gate's locked. Ugh. Look at this little small archy. Yeah. Guys seem kind of warm. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a quit. I might come back later, it depends. But looks like a bite stopped after the snow. That's my first time ever fishing during the snow. Really cool. But yeah guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. And look out for more videos coming out soon.